Wait, where did you get the bears from?
Where did they come from? What store?
Like the workshop store.
No, the Bear Workshop store.
Yeah, the workshop store.
What other animals are in your bag?
Monkeys, fuzzy.
Fuzzy's not in there. Fuzzy's next to your foot.
What?
See?
Yeah.
What is Fuzzy?
This is.
Yeah, but what is she? What kind of animal?
A buzz.
A buzz. But she makes a buzzing noise. But what is she?
Buzz, buzz.
Is she a bee?
Yes, a BB. She's like BB.
No, she goes bzzz. What?
See, she's happy.
Yeah. What else is in there?
Monkeys, polar bears,
Hi.
What's your name?
You want to tell us today?
What's your name?
Don't.
You know your...
No.
No. What's Mama's name? Hmm?
Don't make noises.
What's Dada's name?
One.
And what town do we live in?
What?
Frank.
What's your name?
Don't. I said no.
You don't want to tell me?
No. You tell Mama.
Okay, tell Mama.
Tell me what your name is.
Okay, sing it the princesses.
Okay, but what's your name? When's your birthday? Huh? Don't throw things. I think that skirt's about done.
This is a baby drink. She's thirsty.
She's thirsty.